Hi. You're so tiny. You be friends? Oh, thank you. Look, do you want to try some tubes? Oh, she's really skinny.
There you go.
Oh. Oh, it's okay. I don't know. She's purring. Do you want to try this? Hey, you. Miss Peta. Miss Peta. I've been told Peta might bite me. Hello. No biting me, okay? You're in really, really rough shape, girl. I'm sorry. Please don't scratch me, okay? You're in really rough shape, and I have a feeling you are not going to be happy about this grooming, so I need to clip your nails. Those are like daggers. Look at that. Oh my God. This is the smallest bubble I have, and it's still too big for her. That's how skinny she is and how tiny she is. Hoping she's gonna let me do this. She also smells really, really bad.
Peta is a sweet senior cat who arrived severely matted and in desperate need of a fresh start. Because she's so thin and has very little body fat, grooming her safely is especially challenging. Her skin is very delicate, so even a small mistake with a 10-blade could cause an injury. To make things even trickier, Peta does not like staying still.
Oh, sorry.
She's wearing the trouble bubble for a precaution only. The owner let me know in advance that she might bite when stressed, so the bubble helps to keep everyone safe throughout the groom.
I'm sorry. This is a very stressful groom. Again. Why do I keep getting all these stressful, skinny, matted cats? Okay, she stinks really bad, so I have to take her for a bath. I'm hoping that she'll manage it well, because she really, really, really needs it. I'm keeping the bubble on, because I don't really fully trust you. Please don't panic. Nope, we're not gonna go over there. She's covered in poop, too. I think you're having some medical issues. Okay, please don't scratch me. Please don't scratch me. I know, girl. I know, it's okay. Okay, we're gonna go get a dry. No, she likes the chin scratches. You're a nice girl. Yeah. No. You ready to come out? Oh, you ready? Yeah. No. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Don't scratch. Don't scratch me.
Hello.
After spending some time with Peta, I can confidently say that I don't think she would have tried to bite me, even when she was stressed. Because of that, I didn't put the protective bubble back on her after the blow dry. She turned out to be an incredibly sweet little senior cat, and I'm so happy I was able to remove all of her painful matting and leave her clean, comfortable, and feeling like herself again.
Ma'am. Little purring ma'am. You like your chin scratches, eh? Yeah. Oh, sorry. You see under here. I'm sorry. Okay, you're all done. Wanna go back in your house? There you go, thank you. Please come again.